Good morning, students. How you are? I hope all are fine. Yes, in the previous class, you learned about noun, even kinds of noun also you learned. ನೀವು ಕಳೆದ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಸೊ ನೌನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Is it right? These are things you learned in the previous class. Noun is a name of anything. Noun is a name of anything. Actually, four kinds of noun are there: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun. All these things you learnt in the previous class detail. Okay. In this class, I am going to start another new chapter 7. Chapter number 7, forming plural nouns. It means how to make plural. By what adding we are going to make a plural. So this thing you are going to learn in this class. Okay. Shall we start? Let's see. Forming plural nouns. Forming plural nouns. Okay. So how to make plural? Before going to study about plural, you have to know what is singular, what is plural. Actually, these are called what? Numbers. ಇವು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. Singular means what? It refers only one thing. See, it refers one thing. It refers one thing, that is called singular. For example, marker. I have a marker. So I have a marker as in my hand. So here one marker is there, or more than one is there? One marker is there. Is it right? Only one marker is there. So underline that. One thing. Only one. Okay. Marker, for example. Okay. So here pen. Pen is one is there. Okay. Pen. Book. Huh? Okay. Pencil. Man. Okay. Boy. Girl. Is it right? So here chair. See that all these are what? Singular. Marker. Okay. Marker, pen, book, pencil, man, boy, girl, and chair. So let's see how to use these singular words in this sentence. For example, I use a marker. I use a marker. See here. Okay. Yes. He has a pen. He has a pen. Okay. She is a girl. She is a girl. Okay. I take one notebook. I take one notebook. See here. I use a marker. Just you see here. A means singular. A means what? Singular. A ಅಂದ್ರೆ singular ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು. A or a, whatever is it. Okay. I use a marker. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಒಂದು means ಏನು? That means singular. Is it right? A means singular. So he has a pen. He has a pen. A is there, so it is also singular. Then she is a girl. A girl. A girl means it is not a singular. So here I take one notebook. I take one notebook. One it means what? Singular. See here. It refers one thing. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಅಂಕಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. Plural means what? Okay. In my hand, how many books are there? How many books? 3 books are here. 3 books. It means what? It is singular or plural? It is what? Singular or plural? What it is? It is a plural because more than one. If one is there, it is singular. Now, how many books are there? 3 books. It means what? Plural. So ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ is there. Now 2 markers, 1 bottle. Now 2 bottles. Is it right? Singular and plural. Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? Let's see. What is plural? It refers more than one thing. More than, underline that, more than one thing. Underline ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. You have to know that. Underline means you just focus on that. You have to focus on that. More than one. More than one means what? ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. More than one means what? ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. For example, marker is there. Markers. Okay. ಏನು extra ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Just we add yes. ಏನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? What is the difference here? Yes. There no yes is there, but here yes is there. Okay. That is singular, plural. How you make? By adding yes. ಇದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ನೀವು? yes ಅಕ್ಷರ ಮೂಲಕ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? Now you have done plural. Okay. Pen, pens. Pencil, pencils. Okay. Man, men. Boy, boys. Girl, girls. Okay. Chair, chairs. Is it right? Difference is there, na? Everywhere what we had? Yes. It is different. I will tell you later why that is different. Okay. Yes. By adding yes, all we have done plural. Okay. Actually, these are what nouns. The heading is there what? Forming plural nouns. Forming what? Plural nouns. See how to use the plural in the sentence. Let's see. I have 3 markers. Is it right? 3 means what? More than one is there. Just is it? Okay. We are boys. Okay, boys. They are girls. Is it right? This like we are going to make a plural form by adding some letter. ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಹಚ್ಚೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬರೀ ಎಸ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. Plural not only by adding yes, so many letters are there. Now in this class you are going to learn 20. Okay, see here. Artha aaytu? What is singular and what is plural? Singular allo ಒಂದು, plural ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ that is called plural. Is it understand? Okay. See, students, continue. Forming plural nouns. I generally rule a plural of noun is formed by adding s to the singular form. I already know that. Arms, birds, dogs, horses. All these are words make a plural form by using what? Or adding s. Adding s. For example, arms. Okay. Birds. Next, dogs. Okay then, horses. Okay. See here. What is the difference between two words? Here arms. Bird, here yes. We adding what? Yes. Dog, here also yes. Horse. These are singular. These are what? Plural. By adding what? Yes. S ಅಕ್ಷರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. We have done plural by adding what? S. By adding S. Let's see. So many rules are there. Not only one rule is there. So many rules are there. This rule does not apply in the following cases. So all the nouns we can't make a plural form by adding only yes. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಮಪದಗಳನ್ನ ಎಸ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್? What type of nouns become what? Singular. See here. First one is there. To form the plural of nouns ending in s, x, z, ch or sh, we add es. See here. First rule. You have to look at first rule. What is the first rule there? Ending in s, x, then z, after that ch or sh. Yes, x, z, ch or sh. So plural of noun ending in s or x, z, ch or sh, we have what? Es. By adding es, if time the noun end with s, x, z, ch or sh, what you have to make a? How you make the plural form? By adding what? Yes. By adding yes. Let us see how through the words. Yes. Adding what? Yes. First rule. Keep that point. When the noun end with yes, x, z, ch or sh, so plural form by adding yes. Plural. How you make it? By adding es. Let's see, for example, ash. Okay. Branch. Bus. Dress. Okay. Bench. Class. See that. Class. Fox. Okay. inch, 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 brush, brush, okay, sh, s, okay, x, where is that x, box, yes, box, already done, z, where is z, tax, tax, okay, see here, just look these words, all these nouns are words and with what s, ch, yes, yes, ch, and yes, here x, there ch or h, sh, x, see that ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲ ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಲಿಂತ ಏನಾಗಿದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ all these words end with what s, x, z, ch or sh, okay. See here how we make negative, sorry, how we make a plural form by adding what es, by adding what es, es ಹಚ್ಚೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. So see here as, how you write it, ashes, ash, ashes, ash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೂದಿ, okay, ash, ashes, branch, how you write it, branches, branch, branches, bus, plural form what, buses, bus, buses, dress, dresses, okay, bench, benches, class, classes, okay, fox, foxes, let's go there, inch, inches, okay, brush, brushes, then tax, taxes, ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, just look there plural words, just you look the plural words, don't look at the singular, singular ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, plural ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, all those plural nouns end with what, end with what, es only, end with what, yes, here, yes, 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 there are also yes, so actually which noun end with s, x, z, ch or sh, automatically you had what, es, then you are going to make a plural form, at the moment we had es, es ಹಚ್ಚೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what you have done, plural ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, is it right, okay. It is the first rule, it is the first rule, okay. Let's see second point, ending in y, second point, y, the bracket with the consonant before it, with the consonant, consonant, with consonant before it, before it, y with consonant before it, so what you change the y to I, see here I Yes, and added what? Yes. For example, we can change as we can change. Look that we can change the y. We can change the y to I. Y changes what? I. Then and added yes, yes. Adding what? Yes. Andre y place nalli I ಬರಿಬೇಕು. You have to think. Y place nalli I ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ yes. ಏನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ es ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. y just remove the y from the word. In that place you have to write ies. So when consonant before it, consonant before it, y before consonant is there, so you have to write that like I yes. So let's see through the word army. Army is there. Next baby, okay, body, okay, family, okay, lady. See that all these words end with what? Y. Everywhere Y. One point is clear. These words end with what? Y. One point is already clear. So what is the next is there? We can change Y, the consonant. Yes, consonant is there. Y before consonant or vowel, you have to think that. Y before what letter is there? M. M is there. M, that is what? Vowel or consonant? Yes, that is what? Consonant. So now how do you make that? Y before ಏನೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು I plus es ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಹೌ ಆರ್ಮಿ Y ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು I ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ armies. Is that right? Armies. Next baby, babies. Body, bodies. Family, families. Okay. Lady, ladies. Is it right? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆವಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಯ್ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿ IES ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್. Y before consonant is there, you have to do that like. Y before consonant ಐತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ learned 2 points. First es, afterwards ies. Okay, so these two means those 2 points you have to practice. First and second point you have to practice. Okay, that is your homework. Homework. Practice first and second point 2 times. Practice means you have to write. Practice means what? Don't read only. You have to write that 2 times. Okay, that is your homework. Okay, students. See you in the next class.